Hello friends, now you're watching Tech Feature and today I'm going to show you how to download Windows 11 in your PC or laptop in latest version. So let's begin. Suppose that it's my Windows 11 and I am on my desktop and I will have to open any internet browser, like I have Chrome browser, so I will open it and I will type in search bar google.com. When Google search bar will open, this type of thing will open, so I will have to just type over here Windows space 11. Okay, and when you will search it, you will be able to see the first link. It's the official site of Windows 11, so click it and open it. When you will open this thing, this interface will come on your top. So first of all, you will have to scroll over here, and as you can see many more options as you can see over here, like create Windows 11 installation media and create many more things. And but I have to download the Windows 11, so as you can see, download Windows 11 disk image ISO 64 device. So first of all, select over here Windows 11 multi edition, and it's something like that, information about it, so you can also read, otherwise you will have to skip this thing. And as you can see, download option is showing over here and some processing we are doing. So first of all, we will have to select our language. So our language is English, so I will click over here English, United States. When I will click and click the confirm, when you click confirm, it will also take a process, and you will have to click over here 64-bit download. And when you will click over here, as you can see, our file will be getting downloaded. So let download it. So first of all, it will take the many more time, so I have had downloaded that thing, and as you can see, it will invite download. So I have had to cut my video and pause the video, so that's why it will taking the long time. So first of all, we have to open this thing. First, let's extract this. As you can see, it's my WinRAR, so extract file over here on the desktop, not in desktop, in download. Yeah, it has extracted. It will take the longer time. I have had files fast my video, so that's why it's took the normal time. And when it will extracted, first you will have to inject your pen drive. Your pen drive must have been minimum 8 GB, and you can use 32 64 16 GB. So it's my 16 GB of pen drive I have had inject in my laptop, and I have to bootable. I have to make this thing bootable. Okay, so first of all, you have to open the command prompt. When you will open the command prompt, you will have to type over here disk part. You should not mistake the spellings. If you will not be able to make your pen drive bootable perfectly. So you will have to click here yes, and you will have to also click over here disk list space disk, and click enter. And when you will click the enter, you will be able to see two option is showing over here. First is my SSD and second is my pen drive. So we'll have to select over here disk 1, disk 0 and disk 1. So first of all, we will have to click over here select disk number 1, and when you will type it, just press enter. And you have to click the you will have to type the clean. When you will clean it, it will be getting clean, and it has success. And you will have to type over here create partition primary. You should not mistake the spelling. If you will not be able to make your pen drive bootable perfectly. Yeah, you will have to press the enter, and I have to type over here select partition first. And we have to also type over here active and format FS FAT32 quick. When you will type it, I will have to type over here format FS FAT. You'll have to type over here format if it fat fs equal to fat fs fat. We'll have to type over here fs fat 32 quick space and quick. You should not mistake the spelling. If you will not be able to do the pin drive perfectly make bootable. Now it's getting complete. Now it has completed. So last one is assign. You will have to type the assign, and you will click assign, and your pen drive will be made. and as you can see, it's my pen drive has been made. So close every tab. You can also exit type, and you can also close directly. You will be close that thing, and as you can see, my pen drive has been made bootable. So just copy this file. We have to copy like in this way, not in that way. You should not copy that directly. It's wrong. You will not be uh, able to boot this thing. So first of all, open this thing and select all of them, and click the right button of your mouse and click over here copy. It's a good way to make bootable and boot the Windows file, and just open your pen drive and just paste over here, matlab paste over here, and it will take the longer time. So it's the process of make Windows pen drive bootable, and uh, install when you will complete when it will completed, you will be also use as a install the Windows. I have made a different video about it, so you can watch the video, and you should do the same thing. You will also download and install Windows 11, and thanks for watching. If you are new here, subscribe our channel and hit like button. It will take the longer time, so I'm getting pause my video. So thank you, and thanks for your love and support. Have a nice day.